लेकिन यहाँ से सीधे रुक कर लेते हैं एल&टी टेक्नोलॉजी के प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का।
IPO in the current year. Mr. A.M. Nayak, as I mentioned, is the founder, non-executive chairman, and he and his team have built a world-class company with strong domain expertise. And it is truly game-changing that L&T, which has been known for its own strengths in engineering services, is now listing its information technology specialized company in the area of technology services. As I mentioned, L&T Technology Services is a multi-domain engineering services company with core expertise in transportation, industrial products, telecom and high-tech, medical devices, and process industry. This diversity provides robust growth along with de-risking. With 34 proprietary patents and 134 co-authored patents by LTTS clients, the company services over 200 customers, including 50 plus Fortune 500 customers and Global 43 of the top 100 R&D spenders. LTTS, being a pure play engineering services company, is not comparable to any other IT services company. LTTS has more than 8,000 engineers across 12 onshore and offshore delivery centers and are helping in building a smart world for tomorrow. Company also takes pride in 31 innovation labs across the globe. The financials of the company are in the prospectus, but I would also like to highlight the relevant details of the issue. The IPO's price band is rupees 850 to 860 rupees per share. The IPO size at 860 per share is 894 crores. The QIB portion at 50% is 447 crores, of which the anchor bucket of 60% is 268 crores. The non-institutional portion, 134 crores, retail, 313 crores. The issue opens for all categories on September 12, Tuesday, and the issue closes for all categories on September 15. The BRLMs are four of us who are here on the dais, and I am really honored to recommend this issue to you, the media, and to the public at large. With that, I will request my colleague Kaku to say a few words on this issue.
Good afternoon. Thank you, Uday. It's a great pleasure to be here today. We are proud to be associated with the L&T for this prestigious offering. We believe that this IPO offers indeed a unique opportunity to global investors to participate in a leading world-class, pure-play engineering R&D services.
तो एल&टी टेक्नोलॉजी की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस आप सुन रहे थे। 12 सितंबर को आईपीओ बंद होगा, 15 सितंबर को आईपीओ क्लोज होगा। इसमें जो पेरेंट है एल&टी वो 10% हिस्सा बेच रहा है। प्राइस बैंड 850 से 860 का तय किया गया है और माना जा रहा है कि जो इशू साइज होगा इस आईपीओ का वो 900 करोड़ के आसपास होगा। और उसी की और डिटेल्स आप सुन रहे थे मिस्टर उदय कोटक से। और आपको बता दें कि जो एल&टी टेक्नोलॉजी है ये इंजीनियरिंग और रिसर्च आर्म है एल&टी की, और 850 से 860 का प्राइस बैंड इस आईपीओ का जो है वो तय किया गया है। लेकिन मार्केट्स में स्ट्रेंथ अभी भी बनी हुई है और दिन के उच्चतम स्तरों पर ही भारतीय बाजार अभी भी कामकाज कर रहे हैं। संजीव, आपका शुक्रिया, और हेडरन आपका भी शुक्रिया शामिल होने के लिए शो में और सभी क्वेरीज को एड्रेस करने के लिए।